Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good and His mercies are just forever. Oh, give thanks, give thanks, give thanks unto the Lord. Manana kosa taya na kosa malieshai ayana na kosa malie mana kosa taya mane kosa tia na kosa tia. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of gods, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord of lords, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks, oh, give thanks, oh, give thanks. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of gods, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks. Oh, give thanks unto Jesus. Oh, to the Lord who does great wonders, for His mercy endures forever. To Him who by His wisdom made the heavens, for His mercy endures forever. To Him who laid out the earth above the waters, for His mercy endures forever. To Him who made great lights, for His mercies endures forever. The moon and stars to rule by night, for His mercies endures forever. To Him who struck the Egypts in their firstborns, for His mercies endures forever. And brought out Israel from amongst them, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good, for His mercies endure forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord of lords, for His mercies endure forever. Oh, let he that has breath praise the Lord. Let he that has breath praise the Lord. To Him who divided the Red Sea in two, for His mercies endures forever. And made Israel to pass through the midst of it, for His mercies endures forever. But He overthrew Pharaoh and his army in the Red Sea, for His mercies endures forever. To Him who led His people through the wilderness, for His mercies endures forever. To Him who struck down great kings, for His mercies endure forever. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto my King, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto my Jesus, for His mercies endures forever. Let he that has breath, praise the Lord. Oh, give thanks unto my Jesus, for His mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of gods, for His mercies endures forever. Somebody go satai. mercies endures forever. He rescued you from your enemies, for his mercies endures forever. Who gives food to all flesh, for his mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of heaven, for his mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks. Oh, give thanks. Oh, give thanks. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord. Na 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 hey. Aya 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 na 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 mane kosataya. Oh, we welcome you, Jesus. Aya mane kosataya mane kosataya. Oh, we welcome you, Jesus. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for his mercies endures forever. Oh, give thanks unto the God of gods, for his mercies endures forever. To him who does great wonders, for his mercies endures forever. Oh, Ramane kosatale mene kosataya. Anana kosatale mene koshamale sataya. I need us to understand who God is. The God of all flesh. Nothing is impossible for him to do. You know where he called us to? I told you he has called us to Mount Zion. It is the city of the living God. Anakosa menene yanakas kambale kosa tesevele kosa taya mane kosa taya. Era mane kosha mane santania kosa taya. Let me show you who God is. Maybe that will guide your worship. Maybe that will help you forget where you are and just worship God. Let me take us to Isaiah chapter 40. You who bring good news to Zion, go up on a high mountain. You who bring good news to Jerusalem, lift up your voice with a shout. Lift it up, do not be afraid. Say to the towns of Judah, here is your God. See, the sovereign Lord comes with power, and he rules with a mighty hand. See, his reward is with him, and his recompense accompanies him. Oh, he tends to his flocks like a shepherd. He gathers the lambs in his arms and carries them close to his heart. He gently leads those who have young, who has measured the waters in the hollow of his hands, or with the breadth of his hand marked off the heavens, who has held the dust of the earth in a basket, or weighed the mountains on a scale and the hills on a balance. Who can fathom the Spirit of God, or instruct him as his counselor? Who did the Lord consult to enlighten him? Who taught God the right way? Who is he that taught God knowledge? Who is he that showed God the path of understanding? Surely the nations are like a drop in a bucket. They are regarded as dust on the scales. He weighs the islands as though they were fine dust. This is your God. Lebanon is not sufficient for the altar fires, nor its animals enough for burnt offerings. Before him, all nations as nothing. They are regarded by him as worthless. than nothing. So who do you dare to compare with God? So what image can you liken God to? As for an idol, a metal worker casts it, and a goldsmith overlays it with gold and fashions silver chains for it. A person who is too poor to present such an offering will select a wood that will not rot. They will look for a skilled worker to set up an idol that will not topple. Do you not know? Have you not heard? Has it not been told to you from the very beginning? Have you not understood? Since the earth was founded, he sits enthroned above the circles of the earth, and its people are like grasshoppers. He stretches out the heavens like a canopy and spreads them out like a tent to live in. He brings princes to naught. No, Kanamako Shataya. He reduces the rulers of this world to nothing. No sooner are they planted, no sooner are they sown, no sooner do they take root in the ground, than he blows on them and they all wither. So to whom will you compare God? Who is his equal? Says the Holy One. Lift up your eyes and look to the heavens. Who created all of this? He who brings out the starry host one by one and calls forth each of them by name, because of his great power and mighty strength. Not one of them is missing. Moses said, "There is none unto thee."